The year 2026 has brought a wave of innovation and nostalgia together with the revival of one of the most iconic cars in Volkswagen's history, the Karmann Ghia. First introduced in the mid-20th century, the original Karmann Ghia became a symbol of elegant European design blended with Volkswagen's dependable engineering. Now, in 2026, this beloved classic has been reborn, but with a futuristic twist that keeps the spirit of the original alive while embracing the needs of a modern world. The new Karmann Ghia is a fully electric coupe that combines luxury, performance, and sustainability. Volkswagen has ensured that the design remains true to its roots, with smooth flowing lines, a low-slung profile, and a slightly retro front fascia that nods to its heritage. However, the 2026 version is not just about looks. Underneath the nostalgic exterior lies a state-of-the-art electric powertrain, capable of delivering up to 350 horsepower and a range of over 500 kilometers on a single charge. The interior of the new Karmann Ghia is where classic inspiration meets futuristic minimalism. High-quality recycled materials have been used throughout the cabin, offering both comfort and sustainability. A wide, curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, merging the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single, intuitive interface. Voice controls and haptic feedback provide a seamless experience for drivers, while an AI-based assistant learns the habits and preferences of the driver over time. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2026 Karmann Ghia doesn't disappoint. Thanks to a low center of gravity provided by the floor-mounted battery pack, the car offers exceptional stability and handling. Whether cruising along coastal highways or navigating tight urban streets, the Karmann Ghia responds with agility and grace. It also features adaptive suspension, multiple driving modes, and regenerative braking that not only extends the range but also enhances control. Safety has been another major focus in the new design. Advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, and autonomous parking are all included as standard. A 360-degree camera system further enhances visibility and maneuverability, especially in tight spaces. Volkswagen has also introduced a unique feature for the Karmann Ghia, a digital heritage mode. When activated, the user interface and sound system shift to replicate the experience of driving the original model, complete with vintage dashboard styling and simulated engine sounds. It's a tribute to the past that allows drivers to feel the legacy while enjoying modern convenience. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a car. It's a celebration of design, a showcase of advanced technology, and a promise of a sustainable future. By blending the charm of the past with the efficiency of tomorrow, Volkswagen has created a vehicle that appeals not only to classic car lovers but also to forward-thinking drivers seeking a unique and meaningful ride.